Hey, it's Forecast Steve. An atmospheric river will affect portions of California this week, bringing the threat of heavy rain and possibly flooding. And early in the week, a clipper system will bring a chance of winter weather to portions of the Great Lakes region. Let's take a more detailed look to see what areas of the country will be impacted. First, we're going to take a look at the forecast highlights. Heavy rain will be likely in portions of California and southwestern Oregon from Wednesday through Thursday, and snow will be possible in mountainous areas. In addition, high winds will be possible in northern California and southern Oregon. The Great Lakes region and higher elevations along the Appalachian Mountains may see winter weather on Tuesday through Wednesday, but any snow accumulation that occurs will be light. Finally, a strong mid to upper level ridge will stretch across much of the U.S., leading to above average temperatures across much of the country. On Wednesday morning, a strong low pressure system is predicted to be located off the west coast. Along and ahead of the associated cold front, rain is expected to fall. The rain could be heavy in some locations. In addition, mountainous areas across the region could see wintry precipitation as indicated by the areas of purple and blue shading. By Thursday morning, the cold front will be located somewhere along the California coast. Heavy rain will likely be falling in portions of California. Also, snow is likely in the mountainous areas across the region. By Friday morning, the heaviest rain is expected to be out of the area as the low pressure system is predicted to be located off to the east. However, lingering rain in the lower elevations and snow in the higher elevations could be ongoing at this time across many portions of the west coast. This heavy rain is being supported by a strong low-level flow of moist air into the region as shown on this 850 millibar height and wind forecast on Wednesday morning. Circled here is the strong low-level jet which will transport moist maritime air into the region. Some of these strong winds will mix down to the surface as shown in this forecast for wind gusts. Gusts from 40 to over 60 miles per hour may occur in some areas, mostly close to the coastline and in higher elevation regions. As shown on this total precipitable water anomaly forecast for Wednesday morning, the stream of air flowing into northwestern portions of California will be very moist indeed, with values of at least 0.7 of an inch higher than average, supportive of a major rainfall event across the region. This strong low-level flow of moist air is sometimes referred to as an atmospheric river. This national blend of models forecast shows that at least 2 inches of rain is expected to fall in some locations, with some areas exceeding 4 inches by Friday morning. Regarding snowfall, this national blend of models forecast shows that some mountainous areas could see 10 inches or more of snow, as circled here. This excessive rainfall outlook for the Wednesday through Thursday period from the Weather Prediction Center shows that there is a marginal to slight risk in portions of California and southwestern Oregon. This means that there is a low-end probability that some flash flooding may occur in these areas. From Thursday to Friday, this low-end probability of flash flooding shifts southward to mid and southern California. Now moving on to the topic of the clipper system affecting the Great Lakes region. By Monday evening, a clipper system is expected to begin impacting the Great Lakes region, with more northern portions seeing a wintry mix or snow. By Tuesday morning, the clipper system has moved eastward, with a threat of wintry precipitation spreading across much of the Great Lakes region. By Tuesday evening, a wintry mix or snow is expected to affect portions of Ohio, Pennsylvania, and across the Appalachian Mountains southward. And by Wednesday morning, a large portion of the Appalachian Mountains could see a wintry mix or snow. However, rain is expected across the Carolinas, Eastern Virginia, and Delaware. Snowfall with this clipper system is expected to be light as shown in this national blend of models forecast, which shows totals ranging from 0.1 of an inch to around an inch or so in many locations. A strong ridge is predicted to be centered over the Rocky Mountains in the west by Monday evening, stretching across a large portion of the country. This ridge, with heights well above average, means that surface temperatures will likely also be above average. And indeed they are, as you can see in this corresponding forecast of surface temperature anomalies. Temperatures well above average will stretch across much of the western and central US. By Thursday evening, the anomalously strong ridge will be centered across the Midwest. Once again, surface temperatures in many portions of the central to eastern US will be well above average. Thank you for watching my video. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please like it and subscribe.